Hi, this is Jen, and I have the limited edition summer beauty bag from Holt Renfrew that I just wanted to go over and talk a bit about. This is the listing on their website. I usually love getting these sorts of like bundles and sets like the Sephora favorite set, but Sephora hasn't really had any exciting releases lately, and so I was really excited for this when I saw it in the Holt Renfrew e-newsletter, especially since there are quite a few products that I've been meaning to try. And there are quite a few brands that are only available through Holt Renfrew in Canada. So looking at the packaging, you'll only see the logo on the zipper and nowhere else. Otherwise, it's a good bag to use just for your makeup or for your essentials. And these are the tags. So this one just shows that it was $225. And this one has a more detailed description of what is included. And because it says that there's over $750 worth of product included, I just did a rough calculation of how much these were worth, and I'm going to introduce them in order. So the very first product is the Hyaluronic Serum by Dr. Barbara Sturm, and I've heard so much about this brand in the last 2 or 3 years, so I'm excited to finally be able to try it. I've heard about how it's loved by celebrities and how they deliver amazing results. And I'm curious to see how it matches up with more affordable alternatives, because a lot of brands nowadays have their own kind of similar product. Next up is the lip blush from Tom Ford. So just a note that this was supposed to be a limited edition product from their summer 2020 Soleil collection. So I guess it's just a way for them to clear some of their stock. As usual with all Tom Ford products, you get really luxe packaging, this kind of all gold packaging, and then the transparent bullet with the gold flecks inside. And then on your skin, it turns into a cool toned pink. And to be honest, it wasn't particularly hydrating, and this color isn't especially flattering for my skin tone, but it's a nice product to have in your collection. The next one is the Ultra Sun Protection Lotion with SPF 50+ from SHISEIDO, and this is another full-size product, quite large even for a sunscreen. It has 150 milliliters of product inside, and you can use it on both your face and your body. There is supposedly technology in here that allows it to become more effective when it comes into contact with like heat and water, and it is water resistant for 80 minutes. The formula itself is quite lightweight and it absorbs quite easily. There is just a bit of a sheen, as you can see here when you apply it, but it does dry down to be quite natural. Next up is the Cool Gel Cream from La Mer. So I've only ever tried their original soft cream, so this is a slightly lighter formula, which I think will be great for summer. Next is another moisturizer. So this is the Black Rose Skin Infusion Cream from Sisley. So it's another kind of iconic product that's from their Black Rose line. And I've also been wanting to try this. And then we have another full-size product. So this is the COOLA SPF 30 Mineral Sunscreen. So it is a physical sunscreen that has a matte finish, so targeted towards people with oily skin. And although it says that it is a cucumber scent, I didn't really catch much of it, so it's also great if you're more sensitive towards fragrances in skincare and sunscreens. It has 70% organic antioxidants and great ingredients like rosehip oil. So here you'll see that it is quite a lightweight finish and it absorbs really quickly, no white casts. Not a great comparison, but here are the two sunscreens on different hands. Next is the CHANTECAILLE Lip Tint Hydrating Balm, and this is in the shade Verbena. So just like the Tom Ford lip balm, it is also a product that was from their summer 2020 collection, and the shade is described as a sheer plum. So this is indeed more of a darker berry shade, so not really a shade that I would usually use in the summer, but because it is so lightweight, it works with a sheer layer. And then this is from a brand that I've never heard of before, but it's a Scandinavian brand called Sasha One, and the product is called Hair in the Sun, and this is also a full-size product, and it basically helps protect your hair from UV rays, and it can also work as a styling cream. Next we have a fragrance. So this is LOEWE's Paula's Ibiza Eau de Toilette. I really love the cardboard box that it came in. And this is a very intense, long-lasting eau de toilette, probably one of the most long-lasting ones that I've come across so far. And it is a unisex scent, and it has notes of like coconut and driftwood, so just a very summery, beachy scent. Next is Diptyque's Phylosykos Eau de Parfum. So just note that this is not the eau de toilette. And this is another product that I really wanted to try, and probably the main reasons why I got this bag. And indeed, it does smell really great. Perfect, again, for summer. And then there is the third fragrance, but this is Jo Malone's Nectarine Blossom and Honey Cologne. And this is just a very sweet, bright, fruity kind of fragrance. And then next is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Intense Reset Concentrate. And I know a lot of people love their Advanced Night Repair line, so I'm looking forward to trying this as well. This is an overnight treatment that is supposed to rescue and reset the look of skin. So it has different antioxidants and hyaluronic acid. And another fragrance. So this is Maison Francis Kurkdjian's Cologne Forte line, and there's one of 3 possible scents that you can get. So the one I got was Aqua Celestia, and it has notes of lime, petitgrain, and jasmine. So it's kind of musky, florally, citrusy all at once. And then there is a mask that comes too. So this is the Depuffing Eye Mask from 111 Skin, and you'll get 1 pair. And the next is the Jack Black Clean Break Oil-Free Moisturizer. So it's marketed towards men. So if you do mind the more kind of masculine scent, you can share it with the men in your lives. And this is the Aesop Camellia Nut Facial Hydrating Cream. So the few products I've tried so far from Aesop, I've loved all of them. So I'm really excited to try this one too, because it says that the macadamia nut oil helps soften your skin. And then we have a primer from Guerlain, and this one has 24 karat gold flakes for hydration and radiance. Don't really have expectations for this, but it seems just like a nice, fun, hydrating product to try out. And then this is another primer. This is the Wonder Glow from Charlotte Tilbury that I've tried before, and it helps give that dewy look, and it is very slightly tinted to help kind of even out your skin tone. But overall, just a great product to use as a base for your makeup or just to wear on its own. And then next is the Salt and Stone Sunscreen Lip Balm with SPF 30. So I thought it was great that they included this one as well, because we have like SPF protection for your skin and your hair, and a lot of people usually miss out on their lips. So this is just a nice basic kind of unscented, untinted product, but it has a lot of great ingredients like shea butter, sweet almond oil, argan oil. And then there is a hair accessory that is included. So this is the Pure Silk Skinny Scrunchie in Rose Gold from Slip. And I've also seen Slip products advertised too, like their silk pillowcases and stuff like that, but I've never actually tried it. But yeah, it's just great to have something other than skincare and makeup. And then this is a more Pacifix Treatment Enzyme Peel Cleanser. So I've used this before as well, and it's just a really nice, mild exfoliant that you can basically use on a daily basis. It's also one of their star products. And then there is the Oribe Run Through Detangling Primer. So this just helps protect your hair and give it shine. It's just another great kind of basic hair product. And this is Diptyque's Soft Lotion for the Body. So this is just a very pleasant scent as well, just with hints of jasmine. And finally, we have the MALONE Goat's Grapefruit Cleanser. So this is also a very nice, mild cleanser to use on a daily basis. I've used this before because a hotel that I stayed at, they used amenities all from MALONE Goat's. So that is all 24 products that are included in this bag. Overall, I think it is a great collection. There are some great iconic star products, and there are also some new products that I've never tried of, but I'm really excited to. But let me know in the comments, are there any products included that you really love? Are there any that you would switch out? I'm thinking maybe if they took out one of the fragrances or sunscreens and put in like a toner, that would have been great. But still overall really happy. Thanks for watching. Bye.